Tamarisk is a big problem around here. As we all know, it's a big water sucker. And the other big problem that it causes is when it forms those dense kind of monoculture stands, is it also connects low-lying shrubs with large trees like cottonwoods through fire ladders. Early 1900s is when they started planting it along these types of waterways to prevent erosion from occurring along the banks and kind of stabilizing flooding. We were treating tamarisk by using a cut stump method. So we would have a chainsaw, a sawyer, go and cut about a foot or so above the root ball, and then we would treat that with herbicide, with an aquatic safe herbicide, and then we would pile the biomass up, and then we process it with the chipper. We also have other piles down there that are going to be burned. Burning piles keeps the biomass there, and it's readily available organic matter for other plants to survive. We have grant funding for this treatment. It's all provided through America the Beautiful grant, and it's a 3-year grant that we've been spending time removing and improving county property, specifically along the Colorado River. This grant has allowed us to get on top of it, just kind of eat up that upfront cost of managing tamarisk. We wouldn't have been able to do this without the trails crew, parks crew. They've been a big help, and it was the first natural resource kind of collaboration. I'm really happy with the work that we got done. We have funding in the grant to allow us to continue doing foliar treatments, so when it resprouts, we can stay on top of it. We'll go into the spring and do a volunteer event with River's Edge West and the Grand Valley Disc Golf Club to get some plantings down there, and we're planning on continuing to water those with our volunteer groups and a little bit of the parks team as well.